Hi everyone, welcome to Bikini Design Club. On today's short video, let me introduce you to our newest pattern, Bikini Pattern Top Winter. And this is winter. It's so simple, I almost don't need to explain anything. But I want to give you a little bit of a sneak peek on some details that we thought about it when we designed this pattern. So it has a square neckline on the front, as you can see, and it was made with two swimwear fabrics, so it's a reversible pattern. If you want to sew it as a reversible, that's fine. However, in the tutorial we sewed it using a clasp on the back, and so with the clasp it's not reversible. However, all the other seams are hidden, so you can see that you don't have seams visible anywhere. It's very simple, it's very comfortable. We did this with different fabrics for the straps and for the top. It has some side darts which actually makes it fit very nicely, and even for a larger bust it's very comfortable and supportive because of the wide shoulder straps. And you will see that on the tutorial we sewed this on the tutorial using a method that enables us to do a continuous and smooth connection between the front and the back piece. So instead of using the four-layer methods where you actually insert the back inside the front and you sew over 4 layers of fabric, that's not a method we really like because the connections between the front and the back are never so smooth and perfect as we have here. So we show you on the tutorial how to sew it and achieve this perfect smooth connection between the front and the back piece. And then on the back, as you can see here, we have the clasp on the center back and the straps following our body. We added this thin strap here, which is not visible from the front, if you want to feel more secure about your straps not falling out. However, I have tried this a lot of times at home, of course, because it's winter outside. I have used it for a while to see, without the thin strap, to see if it's stable or not, and actually it is stable. So the straps are quite stable, and it's completely optional if you want to use the thin strap on the back or not. That's it for today, girls. I hope you dig into the tutorial, and if you want to get the pattern, you already know it's available at bikinidesignclub.com. See you soon. Bye, girls.